doing one note, so I want it to sound like it's all in parts and everything's happening. Then suddenly it goes into unison on one note. But, because it's almost like saying something, but. So that's the reason almost for that one word coming out in unison, as to make that one word strong, and then we break up again. Okay, so let's take it again.
Then a wicked day
carry us away, captivity required of us a song.
But
how can we sing the Lord's song in a strange land?
Then a wicked day
Carry us away, captivity required of us a song. But how can we sing the Lord's song in a strange land?
the rivers of Babylon, by the rivers of Babylon,
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we wept when we remembered Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we wept when we remembered Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we wept when we remembered Zion.
Alto's doing wonderful on the yeah. I can really hear that. I'm not hearing that effect over this side. So yeah, we wept. So quiet to loud on that one. Okay? And we wept, remembered. So no breath between wept and remembered. Carry it through so you've got the note carries through over the chord. Okay? Always have kind of a break. So let's do it again. By the rivers, smooth and nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
By the rivers of Babylon,
1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
by the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we wept when we remembered Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we wept when we remembered Zion.
Sopranos. When we remembered Zion, not when we remembered Zion, because it disrupts.
When I cannot sing, get ready. When I cannot sing, again, and the rain just won't ever end. If you just hold on, those clouds will soon be gone. There's a blessing in That's it. And again. Last time. When I can't hear the first thing.
When I cannot hear the sparrow sing,
Feel
and I cannot feel the
melody.
melody.
Secret place.
There's a secret place
Full of grace.
that's full of
In the
grace.
store.
There's a blessing in the storm.
Help me.
Help me sing it.
That's it.
There's a blessing in the storm. It's hard to sing it too.
When the sickness
When the sickness won't
leave
my body,
and the pain
and the pain just won't
leave my soul.
leave my
Get
soul,
on my knees
I get on my knees
and say,
and say, Jesus, please.
there's
There's a blessing in the storm.
help me.
Sing it. There's a blessing in the storm.
The next verse is talking about when I cannot sleep to love again. When I cannot.
When I cannot seem to love again,
Raindrops
and the raindrops won't
ever end.
ever end. If you just hold on,
Clouds.
those clouds will soon be gone.
There's a blessing.
There's a blessing in the storm.
Help me.
Help me sing it.
There's a blessing.
There's a blessing in the sweet, sweet, the storm, sweet, sweet, the storm, sweet, sweet, the storm,
When I cannot seem to
love again,
love again.
raindrops
And the raindrops
won't
ever end.
ever end. If you just hold on, those clouds will soon be gone.
There's a blessing in.
There's a blessing in the storm.
Help me
sing it.
There's a blessing.
There's a blessing in the storm.
Help me
Sing it. There's a blessing in the storm.
The storm.
The storm.
Did you see that too?
The storm. The storm.
One more time. The storm.
The storm.
Last time.
The storm.
Just gonna get some ideas for the end. Okay. This is what happens. cure.
Mountain.
Because of your love, life has brand new meaning. It's gonna be a brighter day, 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 brighter day Next verse is when the sickness won't leave my body. Wait. Now, wait for that.
When the sickness won't leave my body, and the pain just won't,
what will it do?
leave my soul.
What do you do?
I get on my knees
Say,
and say, Jesus, please. There's a blessing in the storm. Help me sing it.
Thank you for this rehearsal time. Thank you for Tochi bringing him here safely. Please help him to return safely too. And as we go, depart from here, Lord, and we separate from each other, be with us throughout the week, and keep us always mindful of the talent that you've given us to share to others. Amen.
Amen. Okay, thank you everybody. Workshop tomorrow starts at 11.